Children, you must have heard people often saying, during the rainy season, Nanded gets about 75 centimeters of rainfall. The journey from Aurangabad to Akola takes about 9 hours. Ajay's monthly salary is about 10,000 only. All these figures have been determined through experience. But these figures may be or may not be an average. What is meant by an average? All of you must have seen cricket matches. While comparing performance of the batsmen, people take average score into account. To find an average, we find the sum of all numbers in the given information and divide it by the number of numbers added. Let us look at the example in which an average is calculated. Children, do you like candies? In a shop, we know candy packs are available. A shopkeeper notes down the candy packs she sold during a day. She prepares a table of columns. In one column, she writes down the days of the week, and in the other column, she notes down the number of candy packs sold. Her record for the week is as follows. On Monday, she sold 12 packs. On Tuesday, she sold 56 packs. 43 packs were sold on Wednesday. Thursday's sale was 34 packs. Friday's sale reached to 58. On Saturday, she sold 62 packs, and on Sunday she sold 71 packs. She wants to decide what her average sale per day was. She added all the 7 numbers, that is 12 plus 56 plus 43 plus 34 plus 58 plus 62 plus 71 and got the sum as 336 candy packs. Then she divided 336 by the number of days, that is 7, which is equal to 48. Therefore, her average sale per day is 48 candies. Let us see another example. If we consider the ages of all the children in Standard 7, we will find that ages of some children are 12 years old, some are 13 and some are 14. That is, the average age of children of Standard 7 is around 13 years. In mathematical language, we say that the average age of children of Standard 7 is 13 years. How did we decide the average age? To find an average, let us find the sum of ages of children of Standard 7. This is equal to 12 plus 14 plus 13 plus 14 plus 12 plus 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 12 plus 14 plus 12 plus 13 plus 12 plus 14 plus 13. Now, divided by the number of children, that is 15. Therefore, 195 upon 15 is equal to 13. Therefore, average age of children of Standard 7 is 13 years. In this way, an average age of children of Standard 7 can be calculated. Now, let us solve some problems based on average from exercise 16. 1. The daily income of a vegetable vendor on 5 days was Rs 73, Rs 79, Rs 81, Rs 77 and Rs 75. What was his average daily income? Solution. Let us first prepare a table of 2 columns. In first, let us write the number of days, and in second column, let us write the daily income of a vegetable vendor. Income of day 1 of a vegetable vendor is 73. Income of day 2 of a vegetable vendor is 79. Income of day 3 is 81. Income of day 4 is 77. And day 5 income is 75. Now, let us first add the total income of 5 days. 73 plus 79 plus 81 plus 77 plus 75. We get Rs 385. To find an average daily income of a vegetable vendor, let us divide 385 by number of days, that is 5. We get rupees 77. Therefore, average daily income of a vegetable vendor is 77. 2. The quantities of milk deposited every month by a certain milkman at a collection center are shown below. Find the average quantity of milk he deposited per month. In the month of January, milkman deposited 83 liters of milk. In the month of February, he deposited 79 liters of milk. In the month of March, he deposited 81 liters of milk. In the month of April, he deposited 85 liters of milk. In the month of May, milkman deposited 73 liters of milk. And in the month of June, he deposited 61 liters of milk. Solution. We need to calculate the average quantity of milk deposited per month. First, let us add the quantities of milk the milkman deposited in 6 months. That is, 83 plus 79 plus 81 plus 85 plus 73 plus 61. Total liters of milk the milkman deposited is equal to 462. Now, divide 462 by the total number of months, that is 6, which is equal to 77 liters. Thus, the average quantity of milk the milkman deposited per month is 77 liters. 3. The weights in kilograms of some sacks of sugar are 97, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 92, 98, 99. What is their average weight? Solution. First thing we shall do is prepare the 2-column table. First column will be of number of bags and second column will be of weights in kilograms of the bags. Let us fill the table. Weight of bag 1 is equal to 97 kilograms. Weight of bag 2 is equal to 99 kilograms. Weight of bag 3 is equal to 98 kilograms. Weight of bag 4 is equal to 97 kilograms. Weight of bag 5 is equal to 96 kilograms. Weight of bag 6 is equal to 95 kilograms. Weight of bag 7 is equal to 94 kilograms. Weight of bag 8 is equal to 92 kilograms. Weight of bag 9 is equal to 98 kilograms. Weight of bag 10 is equal to 99 kilograms. To find an average, first let us add up the weights of 10 sugar bags. This is equal to 97 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus 96 plus 95 plus 94 plus 92 plus 98 plus 99. We get total of 965. Now, divide 965 with the total number of bags, that is 10. We get the answer as 96.5 kilograms. Thus, the average weight of sugar bags is equal to 96.5 kilograms. Let us now solve one sum from problem set 1. 1. The maximum daily temperature in a certain city was recorded for a week as given below. Find the average daily temperature for that week. On Monday, the temperature recorded was 37.8. On Tuesday, it was 39.7. On Wednesday, the temperature recorded was 37. On Thursday, it was 43.8. On Friday, it reached to 46.1. On Saturday, the temperature was 40.6 and on Sunday it was 42. Solution. To find the average temperature in a city, we first need to add up the temperatures recorded for a week. This is equal to 37.8 plus 39.7 plus 37 plus 43.8 plus 46.1 plus 40.6 plus 42. We get 287 as the total temperature recorded for a week. Let us now divide 287 with the total number of days, that is 7. We get the answer as 41. Thus, the average daily temperature in the city for that week is equal to 41. Children, we saw that to find average, we find the sum of all the numbers in the given information and divide it by the number of number added.